In this video, we'll look at some useful formulas to help with algebra. Okay, so first of all, when we have square root, so square root of something can be turned into the form of a power function. So that would be x to some power, and that power would be 1/2. All right, and so whenever you see x to the power 1/2, you should immediately recognize this is talking about square root of 1/2. So hence, you know, square root of 4 and 4 to the power 1/2, they're the same thing, and you know this is equal to 2, for example. Okay. If we have something more complicated, square root of x squared plus 1, then again, by the same token, we can convert this into the form of a power function. So that will be x squared plus 1, the whole thing to the power 1/2. 2. When I have a fraction, so if I have 1 over x to the power a, so this can also be turned into the form of a power function. In this case, we'll use a negative sign to represent 1 over. So this will be x to the minus a. For example, 1 over x squared can be turned into x to the power -2. All right? So then, if we combine the first formula and the second formula, so now I have 1 over square root of x. Am I able to write this in terms of power function? Yes, because by the first formula, we know that the square root part is really just the x to the 1/2 power. And then the second formula tells us, oh, when I see 1 over, this is the same as putting a -1 in the exponent. So I know this is x to the -2. Sorry, x to the -1/2. Okay, so these are important because later when we learn derivative rules, we will have a derivative rule for power functions. So being able to turn things into the form of a power function, which is, you know, like this x to something, or this x to something, this is the form of a power function, would be very helpful. So we want to be able to do that.